The analogy I frequently use is software. When you get a piece of software, it's never version 1.0. They've gone through different iterations of it and it's released. When we release a final product, it's like it's probably gone through 4 or 5 or 6 different variations. We do a strawberry and champagne in milk chocolate, and we do a raspberry and champagne in dark chocolate. So we literally try flavour pairings. Some things are horrendous, don't get me wrong, and they never see the light of day. But sometimes you can either hit it on the nose the first time, or it takes refinement. Because I suppose Irish people over the last number of years are travelling a lot more, we're really in a situation where people are bringing back experiences. I want to try chili. Salted caramel has started somewhere. It now doesn't take 2 years to get around the world. It's within 6 months it's around the world. Chocolate is a great product to mix with food, if you want to put it that way. So chili works with it, alcohol works with it. You can't put water. Water is the only thing that is the enemy of chocolate. What we're trying to work on at the moment is actually extracting seaweed. We do sea salt, which is dried, you see, so it's fine. But seaweed has actually so much moisture in it that you really have an issue. It's got to be really dried, and then you're into a situation where you're almost grinding it down like a herb. We started here just over 20 years ago, and it was an initiative by the Údarásna. So there was an original building here that was affectionately known as the Shed. Their remit was to build in rural places, subsidise the rent, give some grants to help businesses start. And I suppose from those humble beginnings, I took it over. Initially we expanded. We were doing quite well. We had a fire in 2010, which was a pain. At the time it was a horrendous dark year. Now it's the best thing that happened. It gave us the opportunity to really take a chance in this place. So it was before the Wild Atlantic Way came along, before any of the crack with Star Wars, and we decided we would take a punt on it. Last year we had 70,000 visitors. This year so far we've exceeded 75,000 visitors. So for a very rural location, build it and build it right, they will come, is definitely true.